Hey, it's Jaden from XLR Security, and today I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications on your Uniview NVR using a Microsoft Office email. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your web browser and navigate to outlook.office.com in your web browser. So you can see here I'm already logged in. And on the second page, you want to open up your NVR. So I'm just typing in the local IP address of my NVR here. You can see I've already logged in. And now that I have my NVR and email set up and logged in, I'm going to navigate to the top right of my email, this icon here, click on View Account. And what we need to do is set up an app password using the Microsoft email service. So you can find that under Security Info on the left-hand side. And click the plus where it says Add Sign-In Method here. And we're going to choose App Password. And I'm going to call this Uniview NVR. And it gives me a password. Now this password you can click copy and then copy it over to your NVR. So we're going to go into the NVR email settings. That's under Setup, Network, and Email. And here I'm going to type in the email address for my NVR. So I'm using my company email. And the password for the app password, we're just going to copy it into this box here. SMTP server should be smtp.office365.com. And the port needs to be 587. And make sure you check this box for SSL/TLS. And the sender, I'm going to call this camera alert. And the sender's address, again, is going to be the same email address that we're using. And the recipient, I'll just call it myself. And I'm going to enter my email address here. Now that that's all set up, everything should be working. If we click test, we should see a green check mark under the status, and it does say that the test email is sent, please check. So that means that the email is working correctly. And now what you can do with the email, now that it's been set up, is you can actually trigger your camera to send you a snapshot through email when something's been triggered. So it means, if your camera is seeing people trespassing onto your property at nighttime, you can have it send you a snapshot and you can take a look at the email quickly and you will have a record of that. And that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will definitely do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video.